Hello my dear students, welcome back to our English language class. So let us again start the explanation of chapter 10 pronouns 2. So this is the last paragraph that we are going to memorize, and after that our chapter will be completed. So just focus and listen to it well. Study how the following pairs of sentences are joined together by means of a relative pronoun. So in this exercise they have given these sentences. The first part of the sentences, it is about a question, and the second part, like the one given below, is the answer, that how you will frame the sentences by using relative pronoun. जैसे कि हमने बात की थी कि relative pronoun, what does it do? It relates something or someone. Okay, so in this sentence, ये जो फर्स्ट सेंटेंस है, दे हैव गिवन इनटू टू पार्ट्स, जिसको आपको ज्वाइन करना है रिलेटिव प्रोनाउन से टू फ्रेम द आंसर. सो लेट अस बिगिन. हिज अंकल वॉज इल, फुल स्टॉप, ही इज डेड. सो हाउ यू आर गोइंग टू राइट दिस? हिज अंकल हु वॉज इल इज डेड. तो यहाँ पे हमने हु यूज़ किया है इज अ रिलेटिव प्रोनाउन टू कनेक्ट टू सेंटेंसेस. Second, my father will never trust you. You have cheated on him. So, my father, whom you have cheated, will never trust you. So, what relative pronoun we have used here? Whom. Govind's father is ill. Govind feels anxious. Govind, whose father is ill, feels anxious. So, here we have used whose. Nariman gave you a pen. Does it work well? So does the pen which Nariman gave you work well? So here we have used which. So same following this, in the next page we are having one exercise that I will give you. You have to find out, and that exercise you need to revise it also. The space given here is not enough to write answers, dear student. So I will write all the answers and questions in the notebook, and then I will send it to you. You have to go through it well, and if you face any type of problem, then you can just tell me. Now coming into the pair work with another student. Fill in the blanks with interrogative और relative pronoun. तो यहाँ पे आपको interrogative और relative pronoun fill करना है. But dear students, as you know, relative pronoun में भी हम use करते हैं who, whom, which, right? And interrogative pronouns में भी हम use करते हैं who, whom, which. अब आपको ये find out करना है that अगर आपको two sentence को relate करने के लिए use करना है, then it will be relative pronoun. And if you are asking question, if you want to know something in the sentence, then it is a interrogative pronoun. So dash is at the door. Who is at the door? तो यहाँ पे हमने who किया है, but who here, यहाँ पे who हमने interrogative pronoun की तरह use किया है. Where is your desk? Okay, that is the book which I lost. Here it is relative pronoun. This is the girl who is top of the class. What is your phone number? Who is the top boy? Which is your class? Take anything which you like. Who gave you the knife? And where is the watch which father gave you? So here we have completed the chapter, and the exercise 4 I will give you in the notebook. Up now let us just talk about this note. This is a very important note, dear students. They are saying demonstrative, interrogative and indefinite pronoun when placed before a noun act as an adjective. जब आप demonstrative, interrogative या indefinite pronoun को किसी noun से पहले यूज़ करते हैं तो वो adjective की तरह वर्क करता है, यानी कि एडजेक्टिव बन जाता है. नाउ डियर स्टूडेंट्स, इन द प्रीवियस चैप्टर हमने डेमोन्स्ट्रेटिव प्रोनाउंस और इंटेरोगेटिव प्रोनाउंस को तो पढ़ा है, राइट? So what are demonstrative pronouns? Demonstrative pronouns are words which are used to point out a particular person, place or idea or thing. And there are only 4 type of demonstrative pronoun, like this and that, these and those. Okay. एंड इंटेरोगेटिव प्रोनाउंस को भी हमने पढ़ा है. लाइक इंटेरोगेटिव प्रोनाउंस आर वर्ड्स यूज टू आस्क क्वेश्चंस अबाउट अ पर्सन और अ थिंग दैट वी डोंट नो. एंड who, whom, which, what, etc. are interrogative pronouns. But indefinite pronouns क्या होते हैं ये हमने नहीं पढ़ा. So here I have written it for you. Indefinite pronouns do not refer to any person or thing. Indefinite pronouns वो words होते हैं dear students जो किसी भी चीज़ को refer नहीं करते, किसी भी person, किसी भी चीज़ को, और they do not show whether it is singular or plural. So like it is unspecified objects और पीपल वेदर दे आर सिंगुलर और प्लूरल. तो जब भी हम इनको यूज़ करते हैं तो ये अनस्पेसिफाइड ऑब्जेक्ट या पर्सन्स को इंडिकेट करता है, और क्या वो सिंगुलर है या प्लूरल है ये भी हमें मालूम नहीं चलता. तो इंडेफिनेट प्रोनाउंस कौन से हुए? सी हेयर आर द लिस्ट ऑफ इंडेफिनेट प्रोनाउंस. समवेयर, नो वन, एनीथिंग, एवरीबडी, someone, nothing, few, etc. वैसे तो बहुत सारे indefinite pronouns होते हैं, बट यहाँ पर मैंने few of them I have written. So these are indefinite pronouns. So indefinite pronoun क्या होता है? They do not refer to any person or thing. Say like we say ना, please somebody help me. तो यहाँ पे हमने किसी को भी refer नहीं किया. ओके, वी हैव जस्ट आस्क्ड प्लीज समबडी हेल्प मी, कोई मुझे कर दो. तो यहाँ पे हमने रिफ़र नहीं किया, नॉट अ पर्सन, अ थिंग, वेदर वी आर आस्किंग हेल्प फ्रॉम अ सिंगुलर पर्सन और अ प्लूरल पीपल. तो वी हैव नॉट डन इट. तो ऐसे ही जहाँ पर ये सारे वर्ड्स का यूज़ होता है, दे आर नॉट गिविंग स्पेसिफाइड ऑब्जेक्ट और थिंग, पर्सन और एक्सेट्रा. So this is all for this exercise and the explanation of chapter 10. Pronouns 2 have been completed. If you face any problem, dear student, then just feel free to talk and clear your doubts. Thank you.